Hello everyone, I hope you're hanging in there. I hope you're well. I have a quick um, Queen and Company kit to share with you, an unboxing, and I'm going to give you a clue of what this kit is. Can you guess what it is? I'm sure you've guessed it. You guys know I'm a huge Disney fan if you've been around on my channel for a while. And Queen and Company has, I think it was a year or two ago, this kit came out. I think maybe it was a year ago. It is the Magical Characters Kit. And I am so excited to do an unboxing for this kit. So, real quickly though, they did include this little free gift. Isn't that adorable? Queen and Company pen with all the little jewels inside. So really, really fun. Okay, the characters kit, guys. So excited. So I had this in with my recent order from Queen and Company. I had it in my cart, ready to, check out, and it went out of stock. So a couple days later, I got an email saying that it was back in stock. So I went and purchased it because this kit is the hardest kit I've had to pick up because it's always out of stock. So I just went for it when I got that email saying it was back in stock. So look at the adorable projects that were used, and let's unbox this kit. So first you get all of the foam and acetate pieces. So here is the acetate for your shakers, and then you do get 3 of the foam sheets. So that is very cool. So that is what comes in this one. And then you get some of the fun sprinkles or the toppings. You cannot, you've got to have these. It's what makes it fun, and that's what creates the shaker. So these are so cute. These are little hearts. Oops. Let me see if I can do a better job here. So those are the hearts. Aren't those so cute? These ones, oh, these are little bows. You probably can't see that one too good. Let's see. Can you see the little bows? Aren't those adorable? I hope you can see those. And then you have the red bows. Those ones are in red. Black hearts. And these ones are stars. Oh yeah, those are the red hearts. One more time. And then you get some clear stars. So really cute. And then black stars. Get them in blue. Some more clear stars. There's some in green. And then you get these yellow-orange stars. Oh wait, those are hearts. I'm sorry. You get the hearts. Sorry, that's my dog. She wants in, but she can wait a minute. And then you get the black bows. So super cute. Love those. And then take all this out. So here are the adorable stamps. Says, hats off to you. Have a magical day. I'm all ears. Got ears. You are quite a character. Enjoy your trip. Oh boy, oh boy. Gosh, you're how old? You crack me up. Sorry I goofed. It's your birthday. Oh wait, it's your day. Let's get goofy. Ah, phooey, I missed your birthday. You sure are swell. So super cute. And then the paper, it's called Magical Characters. You get just a bunch of an array of different ones. I just love that. I apologize about my dog. Oh, the pad's kind of coming apart. That's okay. We'll keep going here. So that really pretty stars one there. You get 3 of each. And those are the Mickey icons on the back. Aren't those so cute? Some more stars. I apologize. Really fun. Let's see here. Pretty for Minnie. Minnie fun papers there. Let's make sure we saw the ones before that. Yep. So that is the paper pad. Really, really fun. Love that. And then last but certainly not least are the dies. So this is all of the fun hats that you get. Aren't those fun? Love it. So you get Donald, there's Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, and Mickey again. So just so much fun. I know for sure I'm going to use Goofy for my husband's birthday card this year. So he loves Goofy. So anyways, that is my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all well. Until next time, crafty wishes. Bye. Have a magical day. Bye.